Dun 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 dun.
What are you doing? You goober?
First time out on the yaks, folks. Hoping to get to go some new places that we haven't been able to get before because of our boats being a little bit larger than these. Right now we're hanging out in Central City at Pinnakin Ridge Park. We've got a loop for testing them out and stuff. We've had these since there was snow on the ground. But this is the first time we've both gotten a chance when we're not working to play. So we're trying it out. So far, neither one of us has spilled. I
Almost.
still see it in the future though.